Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to completely block private messaging in Game Center on iPhone and iPad. While it's great to chat with friends or other players in a game in order to perfectly coordinate or plan a smart strategy, some of you might want to completely block the private messaging. Besides, as a parent, you might want to prevent your kid from chatting with a stranger while playing online games. Thankfully, there is a built-in way to altogether disable private messaging in Game Center on iOS and iPadOS. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now scroll down a bit and choose Screen Time. Then scroll down to the bottom and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, ensure that the toggle next to Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled. Then select Content Restrictions. After that, head over to the Game Center section and choose Private Messaging. And finally choose Don't Allow and you are good to go. From now onward, you or for that matter your kid won't be allowed to send custom messages or use the voice chat feature in a game. Later, if you ever want to get back this feature, return to the same Game Center setting and then choose Allow in the end, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.